Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply for a study visa to the Netherlands. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service and nothing else. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the very first thing I have open in front of you is a visa wizard by the government of Netherlands. This is called Netherlands Worldwide. So first we'll check if you need a visa because then it's gonna show us the options. Okay, how it works. So definitely, like if you're going for a study visa, like for a long-term course, let's say you're going for masters, okay, after completing your graduation, then definitely you're gonna stay for more than 90 days. What is your nationality? Let's say your nationality is Indian. Okay. You need to do as per your case. Okay. Your situation. Okay. What you will require long stay visa MVV. So is not available via the consular service portal. Check website where you should apply. Okay. Let's open the link. Apply for long stay visa. Choose your country. So you are from, let's say you are from India and Indian and gonna apply. So this is particularly for India. So you need to put your country information in order to get the specific information for your country. But for sample, let's go through it. If you want to stay in Netherlands for longer than 90 days, you need residence permit. In many cases, you will also have to apply for long stay visa before your travel to the Netherlands. This is called auto. Okay, fine. You should check whether you need. This depends on things like national purpose of your stay. Okay, apply for residence permit. I have two ways. Through a host in the Netherlands, such as employer, family member, or educational institution. So if you're going for study, these guys can help you, right? In person at Netherlands Embassy or Consulate General. So there are two things. If you'll apply through a host in Netherlands, then depending on the purpose of stay, so in this case, it's going to be study. So how does your host apply in the Netherlands? Your host can submit the application directly to the IND. How they need depends upon why you need a resident permit. Okay. So website list of documents that who your host need to provide. Okay, let's go through this as well. We'll go for the second one for sure. Residence permit. So if we go for study, student residence for university or higher. Okay. Nationality. Okay. Requirements that apply to everyone. Accredited is recognized sponsor. Okay. Income requirement. Okay. Process and cost. So check the requirements. Okay. Collect documents. Apply. Wait decision. Okay. So this process is simple, like your institution is gonna apply. Okay. But if you wanna apply it yourself at an embassy or consulate, so how you're gonna do? For the following purpose stay, you should submit your application for MVV and residence permit yourself. For an investor, independent entrepreneur, starting entrepreneur, on this high skill. Okay, so study is not included, right? So study is not included. So definitely we have to go for the first option. So here, oh, fine, process and cost, valid residence permit, collect documents. Okay, apply. Your educational institution needs to application. and applies for your MVV and student residence permit at the same time. Okay. So this fee, wait application within 60 days, decision for an application. So for this, like your institution is going to play a major role. So if you're applying to a college there, it has to be done by them. But you know what? At a page before this, there were even more important pieces. Let's go through this again. Requirements. Recognize sponsor with a IND. This is very important. Requirements that apply to everyone. Educational institution. Yeah. So if you're applying to a college, make sure it falls here, and then you can proceed. That everyone. Passport. Do not pose a danger to public. In Netherlands, you must take a TB test. Okay. You took a TB in Netherlands less than 6 months ago. Okay, fine. All right, guys. So I hope you got the idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.